Hello friends, myself Seema Benade, Assistant Professor, DRK College of Commerce, Kolhapur. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Last session we have discussed practices in modern management, syllabus contents and the nature of the paper. So today we are going to start with the unit 3, organizational environment of practices in modern management. Okay. So first of all we need to study what is organization. So organization is nothing but any entity, institution or association where one or more people come together, interact with each other and they put their collective efforts to achievement or attainment of common goals and objectives and purpose. That is organization. Then the next question arises, what is organization environment? Or before going to the organization environment, the next question is what is environment? So environment is nothing but surrounding. The factors which are existed within the surrounding, within that person, animal, plant, they live together. Then the next thing is what is organizational environment? Organizational environment is different from organization to organization. If we take college as one organization, college has its own different environment. If we take bank as an organization, it has own environment. If we take hospital as an organization, it has again its own environment, means its own factors. Yes. So what is organizational environment? It is aggregate of all total conditions, events, influences the organizational performance. So that is organizational environment. Okay. Then the next is what are the features of the environment, characteristics of the environment. There are 4 major important characteristics or features of the environment. First is environment is a complex. Second, environment is a dynamic. Third, environment has multifaceted and environment has far-reaching impact. So these are 4 major features of organizational environment. Then the next is, if we discuss these features, first feature is organizational environment is a complex. It is not simple. Why it is called complex? Because in that several factors are there, events are there, conditions are there. And these factors, conditions are continuously affect on each other, interact with each other, and every time they come up with the new impact on the organization. So it is not like that if you study one factor and it is okay. It will change afterwards. So you need to be always have focus on those factors, what way they are changing and what way they are having impact on the organization. Then the next is organization is a dynamic. Organization is a dynamic means it always changes, it never remain as it is static. Continuously changes occur in the organizational environment. And one more very important thing is the degree of influence is different from time to time. Then the next is environment is multifaceted. Yes, organizational environment is multifaceted. It changes in the environment are perceived differently by different people. One change in the environment that may be having different impact on one organization and that may have the different impact on another organization. So organizational environment changes are perceived by different way by the different person. Then the next feature is environment has far-reaching impact. Yes, deep impact is occurred on the organizational performances. So environment has deep impact on growth and survival of the organization. So these are 4 major characteristics or features of organizational environment. Then the next part that we need to study, that is types of environment. There are 2 major types of environment, internal environment and external environment. So internal environment means these factors and elements which are existed within the organization, and external environment means these factors are existed outside the organization. Yes. Then this is the broad diagram or comprehensive diagram of organizational environment with external environment, internal environment, market environment. So all those factors that we are going to discuss in detail, that is in the next session. So today I hope you have understood what is organizational environment concept and what are the features of organizational environment. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.